Good morning, student. Today we will discuss important 5 marks examples on application of differential equations, or we will study differential equations. So in this topic, differential equation, you are going to get linear differential equation, so standard form of a linear differential equation and a solution finding for a linear differential equation. It is a very simple. Let us discuss this. So before beginning with this example, I write standard form of a linear differential equation. So here, dear friends, just look at here, any example which is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, we call it as a linear differential equation where p and q are functions of a x. Then solution for this linear differential equation is given by, it is a y is multiplied by integrating factor, so this is equal to integral sign q is multiplied by integrating factor. Then we have to integrate with respect to x, and plus c is a constant of integration here, constant of integration. So this is the standard form of a differential equation, linear differential equation we call it, and it is a solution for a linear differential equation. So further, integrating factor is given by, it is a e raised to integration p into dx, it is e raised to integration p into dx. So let us begin with the first example. The first example is, it is x is multiplied by dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Now in a standard form we will observe that dy by dx coefficient is 1. Now in this example dy by dx coefficient is x, so we don't want dy by dx coefficient as a x, so we will divide by a x here. We will divide by x, we get dy by dx, x and x get cancels, and we get next 2y divided by x, 2y divided by x, 2y divided by x it is. Next it is a x square by x, x get cancels, we get it as a x here. So now comparing with a standard equation, we have to write value of p and q. So look at here, y coefficient is a p and here y coefficient is 2 by x. Therefore here in this example, the value of a p is y coefficient as 2 divided by x. Similarly, the RHS is a q, so here q is, it is a x in this example. Now we'll find the integrating factor. So integrating factor, the formula is, it is a e raised to integration p into dx here. So e is as it is, integration is as it is, the value of a p is, in this example it is a 2 divided by x, and dx is as it is. Dx it represents, we have to integrate with respect to x. So e raised to, this 2 is as it is, 1 upon x integration is log x. So this can be written as e raised to log x square. Using a property of a exponential and logarithm function, we can write the solution is, it is a x square here. Log of a what function is there? No, that is a x square here. Remember, any expression e raised to log f of x, so we have to take it as a f of x. Here in this example, e raised to log x square is there, x square we have to take it. Okay, so the solution is y is multiplied by integrating factor equal to q, integral sign q into integrating factor, and integrate with respect to x, dx, constant of integration is c. So y as it is I have written, integrating factor we have calculated, it is a x square equal to integral sign q, q is x and integrating factor is x square into dx, and plus c is a constant of integration. So here we get this as x square y equal to integration of x into x square, it is a x cube into dx plus c. So it is a x square into y, integration of a x cube is, so it is a x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus c here. So we want a y solution. So divide the throughout equation by x square here. So x square LHS get cancels, we get a y equal to, and RHS first term, so x raised to 4 divided by x square, 1 x square get cancels, we get a x square divided by 4 plus c into x raised to, it is a minus 2. Therefore it is a solution of a differential equation. So very simple it is. We have to write the given example in the standard form, dy by dx plus py equal to q. And we have to do a comparison, write a value of a p and q, and integrating factor we have to calculate, and we have to write a solution using the standard formula which is mentioned over here. So using this we have to find a solution for a linear differential equation. Yes, we'll move with the next example. So the given example is x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. Now we have to make dy by dx coefficient as a 1, so we will divide this expression by x here. So we get a solution as dy by dx, x get cancels, so we get a dy by dx plus 2 by x into y, and 1x get cancels, we will get a x into log x. So y coefficient is a p, therefore here in this example the value of a p is, it is a 2 divided by x, and the value of a q is, it is a x log x here, x log x. So we will get a value of a p and q. Now we should find a integrating factor. So integrating factor is, it is e raised to integration p into dx. So it is a e raised to integration 2 divided by x into dx. So e as it is, 2 will be as it is, 1 by x integration is, it is a log x. So using a property of integration, using a property of a logarithm, I can write log of a x square. So solution it will become as a x square. As I have mentioned in a previous example, e raised to log of f of x is always it is f of x. Therefore we get it as a x square here. Therefore the solution is, so it is a y is multiplied by integrating factor, y is multiplied by integrating factor equal to integral sign, q is multiplied by integrating factor, so integrated with respect to x, and plus c constant of integration. So here y is as it is, integrating factor is x square, integral sign, q is x log x, integrating factor it is a x square, and dx is as it is, plus c constant of integration. So further we will simplify this one. Integration log x into x cube dx plus a c, it is a y into x square. So we have to use for integration of this integration by the parts here. So that is a first function as it is, second function integration, minus integral sign. So using that we have to find a solution for this integral by parts. So we have ILATE rule. So it is ILATE rule is, first we have to give inverse trigonometric function as a first preference, and algebraic function we have to give as a second function. See, second preference we have to give. So integration is first function as it is, integration of a second function minus integral sign, differentiation of a first function and integral of a second function. Once again entire function integrated with respect to x. So this is a rule. So applying this we get it as LHS, there is no change, y into x square, we get first function as it is log x, integration of a x cube is x raised to 4 divided by, it is a 4. Further minus integral sign, differentiation of a first function log x, differentiation is 1 by x, integration of a second function, so it is second function is x cube, its integration by is x raised to 4 by 4 into dx, constant of integration is c here. So further see, we will simplify this one, x square y equal to x raised to 4 log x divided by 4 minus x raised to 3 divided by 4 into dx plus c. So 1x get cancels. Now we'll simplify this one, x square by y as it is, x raised to 4 log x divided by 4 as it is, minus x raised to 3 integration is, it is x raised to 4 divided by 4 and constant of integration is c as it is. So this is a required solution of linear differential equation. So dear students, you can expect 5 marks example from integration as linear differential equation. You have to represent the given equation in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q and find an integrating factor, and using a formula y into integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Using this formula you have to find a solution for linear differential equation. So I have solved 2 examples. So like this example you should practice it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you once again.